Looking for a quick and easy side dish or treat to impress your family? Then this is the video for you. Don't forget everything used in the video today. There are links in the description below for the best place to get those barbecue accessories, so make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Hi Weber fans, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a fantastic treat. Everybody in the family loves it. Great as a side dish or a treat for the whole family, whether you're having a movie night or you're having a party. So there's 4 simple ingredients to these, so let's jump straight into it. Right, so before we jump into our recipe, there's a few things you can need. This is great for camping as well. We're going to be using the Weber Q saucepan. It is a great accessory for your Weber Q. We're going to use this to pre-cook our sweet potatoes. Today we're going to be making a dipping sauce as well. So there's only 4 ingredients we need for that. Well, so what we've got is some sweet potatoes. We're not going to be using this one as this is huge and won't fit in my saucepan. If you're cooking it on the stove, you can just do 2 of these. All depends how big you want those sweet potato grilled chips to be. So today we're just going to be using a couple of small ones that will fit in the Weber saucepan. First up, we're going to par cook these on the Weber Q. Right, so we've got our sweet potato in that saucepan, parboiling for around 15 minutes. While that's pre-cooking, it's time to sort our ingredients and start preparing our spicy, tangy dipping sauce. Right, so we've got 4 simple ingredients for our dipping sauce. We've got some mayonnaise, some chili powder, some smoky paprika, and the juice of 1 lime. So our dipping sauce is pretty easy to make. We're going to use a 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, teaspoon of smoky paprika, a teaspoon of chili powder to give it some heat, and then the juice of 1 lime. Give that a mix up. Right, so our dipping sauce is made. It's time to take our sweet potatoes off and let them cool. Right, so we're going to leave that Weber to preheat those grill plates for around 10 minutes. While that's happening, it's time to start preparing our sweet potato and get them seasoned, ready for the grill. So I'm just going to transfer these to a baking tray so it's easier to prepare. Now lightly baste with olive oil. So now you can lightly season these with some chicken seasoning, or I'm going to be using some Weber Greek seasoning today. Now just turn and repeat on the other side. And are ready to go on the Q. Once our sweet potato juice come off, we're going to get that plated up and it's time for a bit of a taste test. Don't forget everything used in the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those barbecue accessories, so make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so enjoy the video. As you can see, those sweet potato chips have turned out absolutely superb. The sauce is really simple to make. The kit chips are a massive hit with my kids and my grandkids, so it's a great side dish that you can make really easy, really simple, in under 10 minutes. Now, for those of you looking for the best way to clean your Weber Q1200n, check out this video next. And for those of you who want to check out the Weber Q1200n rotisserie, check out this video next. So thanks for watching, happy grilling, and I'll catch you next one.